For years, I got hammered by food, leading me to be 315 pounds and having numerous health issues at the age of only 22. One day, enough was enough, and I found the tools to help me fight back. And now I hammer food. I find the most tastiest bites and engage the most monstrous fights. I'm conquering fears and chugging beers, lifting weights and cleaning plates. I'm Heavy D, and these are my adventures. What's up, Heavy D Nation? Heavy D coming at you with another edition of Burps and Slurps. Today, we're featuring the classic, the hangover special itself, Bud Light. I don't drink this because I get massive, nasty hangovers, which is why I stick to Miller. Plus, I'm from Wisconsin, which is just the worst. Anyone else get hangovers when they drink Bud Light? Let me know. I would love to know if this is me. It's all in my head. As an athlete, sometimes things are in our head. So, Bud Lights, lighter beers pair well with Caesar salads. I also enjoy using Bud Light since I hate drinking it for my beer can chicken. I don't like to waste my good drinking beers on my food. So, get a big 16-ounce tall boy, pour some out, drink some, one for the homies, and then stick it on the grill it up, season the chicken. Whole chicken, smaller the better, more flavor. You don't have to cook it as long. When you're an eater like I am, we need all the food ready as quick as possible. So, just pour this up. We'll get to work. It's a beautiful 88 degrees here in Las Vegas today. Hot as all get out. Ice cream sandwiches were a wreck, as you saw. A very controversial finish, much like the Kentucky Derby. The fastest 2 minutes in all of sports. The 2-minute warning. So much foamage in these. I'm losing my luster. And then I'll be back in Denver soon, so stay tuned for that. How much time we have left on here? I have to shut up and chug. Whew. Always brewed using the choicest hops, best barley malt, and rice. 110 calories, 4.2 ABVs. Here we go. Right. That one goes out to Bud Light lover who loves his Bud Light. I'm glad someone does. More of a fan of Stud Light. Miller lattes for the win. If you want to see more Burps and Slurps, tune in every Wednesday. We're featuring the finest ales, lagers, pilsners, whatever you got from me. Reviewing and showing you food pairings, so that way if you have friends or ladies over, or even some fellas if you're a woman watching this channel, you know what to prepare. Caesar salads with a Bud Light. Classy and fabulous. Because we're all about class on this channel. Hammer that subscribe button. Join me on these adventures. We'd greatly appreciate it. And until the next adventure, stay hungry.